Hello friends, welcome to my channel WebDeveloperGuide. In this video we are going to introduce new form builder library SurveyJS. So if you newer to my channel or not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it to get latest videos and press bell icon to get notification of new development video. So first I will give you description of SurveyJS. So SurveyJS is a new library which allow to create surveys and form builder with many more options. So in this video I will show you how to add a basic survey creator to your website and how to add a form builder of SurveyJS new library. So let's start. So this is the code of our basic SurveyJS basic code, and this is the HTML file, and this is a JS file we have to include in it. So this is the code and this is the output of our code. So first I will explain some of the files we have to attach for survey library. So some of the basic file we have to included in it: not.out.js, min.js of SurveyJS, and this is server.code.js, smin.js, extension language tools.js. These two files are main: surveyCreator.css and surveyCreator.js. Other files are also required, but this is used for extra features. These two are main feature. This is the bootstrap file which SurveyJS use for design and form builder. So first add a one div. We have added survey container, give a id survey container, and one of the other create element. So this is the basic code of survey. One div and second div under it. We have included script.js. So main code for survey we have added here. So first we have declared options for there are many more options, but currently I have added a simple one for just for example. So it's a logic tab. It will show hide, which is this one. So if you want to show this survey logic file tab, then add a survey logic tab. This is the key for option, and add a value of true. So if you want to hide this, just write false instead of tools, so it will hide. So currently we want to show it, so we have added true, so it will show. This is the main initialization of SurveyJS, survey creator. So this is the syntax of it. Add a new variable creator. We have taken a new variable creator and just add a new survey creator dot survey creator function and pass the options which have declared in above, and pass the id of element which have here, this one. So simply you add this line and it will create this output. Another option, it's currently I have disabled, so I enable it. So this is for toolbox, which is shown here. So basically it by default it left align. So if you want to take this to right, then you have to add this creator.show toolbox and add a value right, so it will show on right here. By default it so on left. So if you only want to add on right side, then you want to add this line. Otherwise, if you want to take it left, so you don't want to add any, you don't want to need this one. This is the property, this one. By default it's show on right, so if you want to show on right, then no need to add this. So if you want to add it left, then you want to need this one. So just write this created dot so property grid and add a value left, so it will show on left. So this is the property. This is the basic setup for a line left or right, wherever you want to add. So this is the, if you want to make toolbox, this one actively means if you go here, it will by default active here. You will not need to this add for by default. If there are more tabs and you want to active by default this toolbox, then you want to add this line. So this is the basic setup of our code. So let's see here what are the parts of survey creator. You can adjust width of properties and toolbox by dragging whatever size you want. So this is the basic output of our survey creator. This is the survey designer, where we will or we can create our survey form. So this is the toolbox. Just click on this to add it to here. So single, if you want to check box, then click on it. As you click on this, it will add it this area. So this is the basic form builder for designing your survey, and you can see output here how it will look. So these questions 1 2 3, you can see it here, question. This is the output of our survey creator. This is the designing of our code form, and this is the output of our form. So whatever you design, you will look like this survey form. So basically you will add data here, first name, whatever you want. Select this, click on complete. So this is the survey complete. You can check the basic design of how it will be look by selecting from here. By default it desktop. iPhone 5, how will it look like in iPhone 5? So this is the output. So select whichever you want to use from drop down. This is the data of our editor. So whatever you want will add here. It will create as a JSON as like this. So this is the page This is the main page, and this is the elements, different elements, 1 2 3. So these are the element: text box, checkbox, and radio groups. So you can see that how we have used it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or doubts or want to get more details, add a comment in section and I will reply on it. Thank you so much.